I'm going to talk about how to boost your sales, a little bit about sales, a little bit about marketing. So if that's you, you've been having problems with marketing, you've been having problems with sales, you're in luck, because that's what we're going to talk about today. I'm gonna dive into that a little bit. So today is gonna we're gonna talk about how you can make sales without any complicated tech, without any fancy funnels. And in fact, I'm gonna give you a shortcut, and I'm gonna teach you my two-part offer system. Welcome to Launch Lab Live. I'm Mario Rivers. I'm the founder of the Creator to CEO coaching program. I'm author of 4 books, 3 of which are business books. And I've been in the digital online marketing space for about a decade almost. Go get some notes, grab your coffee, grab your water, and let's dive in. If you don't have a funnel, or you don't know what a funnel is, no problem. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to give you a few tips, even if you don't know where to start. This is what actually sells, because at the heart of it, the right message that resonates with the right person is what is going to get people to buy. Right message, right person. How do you do that? I'm glad you asked. We're going to talk about that today. Most people think that sales, that you need a complicated funnel or all these different pages. You think you need to convince people, or maybe you think you need the best website, or a bunch of funnels, or complicated tech. You only need 2 simple things to sell online. So if you're just starting out, and this is going to sound bananas, because you'll hear everybody say you need a funnel, and I'm saying you don't need one. That's simply not true. If you're just starting out, you only need these 2 simple things. This is what actually sells. All right. You need a specific solution to a specific problem, and an easy way for people to buy it. That's it. Problem, solution, easy buy button. If you have those 2 things, that's going to get rid of so many problems in your sales, right? Because if you can clearly promise a result and drop a link for somebody to buy, that's enough to get started. Funnels can come later on the back end. And I learned this stuff the hard way. The truth, these 2 things are the shortcut to sales. So you should spend 80% of your time on number 1, which is building an offer that is for a specific solution to a specific problem. Now, in the chat, I want you to tell me which one that you struggle with the most, or in the comments, right? Is it coming up with the offer you struggle with the most, or is it having an easy way for people to buy your offer? Leave it in the comment, leave it in the chat. All right. Now let's break this down a little bit further. Okay. Step 1 is to solve a specific problem. How do you do that? Well, you got to keep in mind that people pay for solutions, not information. Information is free. You can find free stuff on YouTube and everywhere on the internet. But what people have a problem with is the execution, the implementation. That's what people pay to get help with. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples. All right. For example, if somebody said, how do I get my first 5 clients online? If you were creating a solution for that, then your solution would be how to get your first 5 clients in, you know, less than 20 days without having any experience, right? Your offer should answer the question that people are asking, right? That's the first thing. Once you get that right, that's 80% of your problem right there. So um, your job is to make it easy for people to see why your solution is going to be a good fit for them. So be straight, be to the point, and in all your content, all your posts, it should all be to answer should be to answer that solution, that problem. It should be the solution to that problem. And so in this example, you know, again, if you want to know how to get your first 5 clients, here's how to do it in X days without whatever it is, any experience, you know, and that's how you frame the offer. And then you promote. People put an offer out and you do it for 1 week and you expect to get results. You got to do that thing for like a year, right? A year of focused effort on whatever it is you're trying to sell. That's extreme, but you got to have that type of extreme mentality in today's competitive market. This is better known as digital marketing, right? All right. So you got to make your offer clear. And this is the formula you can use for better sales, right? I help whoever your target market is, I help X do whatever it is you're trying to help them solve without the painful thing that they're struggling with. All right. Here's an example. This is another example. I help new coaches get paying clients without building a funnel or without experience. If you're, let's say, I'm just winging it here. Let's just say if you're a gardener, right? You can say, um, I help people who want to live a sustainable life, grow garden food without any experience, and a week or less, something like that. So another good example of this is my Business Builders Blueprint, right? It's a mini course that teaches experts that have knowledge how to create their first income stream in less than 28 days, even if they don't know where to start. You see how all these offers are built the same way? So make it a clear offer. You call out who it helps, what it helps them with, and what it helps them to avoid. And I mentioned the Business Builders Blueprint. The link to that is going to be in the description. You can start there. Try that out. When you come up with your offer, barrage all the platforms that you're on with that message: social media, email, YouTube, wherever you're at online. Start marketing that relentlessly. Promote, promote, promote. If you want to sell, you got to be a wolf. You can do it ethically. You don't have to be sleazy. You don't have to lie. You can create some real urgency and some real scarcity. Like you can say, I'm only taking 10 people in there, and then when you get 10 people, then close the doors. Like that's real scarcity. That's real urgency, right? I can only serve a certain amount of people. You can do these things, but you have to be a wolf. You got to be relentless in promoting whatever it is you're trying to sell. And even if you're afraid, you can't be a wimp. You got to do it afraid. All right. Now, that was step one, solving a specific problem. Step two is to make it easy to buy. And let me tell you, this is something that I don't think a lot of people pay attention to. Okay. Now, even if you're just starting out, you can use a simple checkout link, you can use a simple order form, or you can just say, hey, DM me to get started if you're just starting out, right? If there's even the slightest hiccup when people go to buy, if they have to look for it, boom, they gone. If they have to do any thinking, you want to make it so easy for them that they don't have to think. Step one, go here. Step two, do this. Step three, do this. If you make it that easy for them, you're more likely to make more sales. All right. PayPal is and Stripe are okay if you're starting out. Just make it easy. Take yourself through the buying process to see how long it takes, to see if your landing pages or your checkout pages load slow, and fix all those problems before you launch it. Do not make excuses not to launch. Don't let those be excuses. Just check them, fix it, and then launch. Now, this is why it works, because people don't buy your stuff because you have the best looking landing page or you have the latest tool, ClickFunnels, or whatever the latest tool is. They buy because your solution is clear, the steps are simple, and the next action is obvious, and they truly believe that you can help them. All right. I use Teachery. Teacher is what I use to sell my courses and to sell all my digital products. And Teacher is already connected to my Stripe account. When you set it up, you'll connect it to your Stripe account. You never have to worry about it again. So when people click to buy, everything is right there on the checkout page. I've even got an order bump there too. I'm just going to show you guys what happens and what it looks like. That's it, 2 pages, a landing page and a way to buy. That's it. Let me show you an example of this. Now, this is one of my pages. It's for my DM Simplified. It's a book bundle, right? So at the top, I got a headline here. Turn your expertise into a digital offer in 5 days. It tells them a little bit about it. Got a video. Then it gives them some bullet points, some information here, what they'll get, who it works for, why it works, and then the bonuses. And then they can buy right here. That's it. One page. Second page, they can go here and start checking out. They can enter all their information. That's it. 2 pages. Show you another. So I want you to see how simple this is. All right. Again, I use Teachery. This is my sales and marketing master. Matter of fact, that link to that one is in the chat. But this is simple. 2 pages. All right. So confidently market and sell your digital products. It's a video here. It talks about who this is for, what you'll learn, what you get, bonuses, money back guarantee if you have one, and then it just tells them everything that they'll get in the course or whatever. And then it's a way they can buy. That's it. 2 pages. The next page, they can enter their information and then they can purchase now. So another one of my products. So you can start to see what I did. Like it's just 2 simple pages. That's it. All right. Like I said, the two easy things you can do: make the offer on one page, have an easy way for them to buy. Then here's a little order bump. I got this on every page to increase my checkout value. This is all you need to make offers. Okay. All you need. Once you make your first sale, that's going to give you some confidence. You don't need a full business plan to start making money. You just need a small specific offer and a simple way to sell it. Like I just showed you those 2 pages. That's the only thing you need. If you're ready to get better at sales, I have a training called the Sales and Marketing Mastery Training Course. It's 38 minutes. It's for coaches and consultants, experts, freelancers, authors, industry leaders, pastors. If you want to learn how to sell, how to market, the link is in the chat. I already put it there. But the next step for you is to create your offer and drop your offer today. You can do this in a weekend. I'm also going to throw in 3 bonuses. You'll if you don't know where to start, right? You need a plan to start. I'm going to throw in how to create an offer in 5 days as a 5-day plan inside my ebook, Digital Marketing Simplified. You get the audio book with that, and you'll get me teaching each chapter. I think it's like 4 or 5 chapters. So no more wondering, where do I start? Where do I go next? If you never want to run out of content ideas, marketing ideas, social media marketing ideas, if you want to create a plan in a few minutes, you'll be able to create a full content marketing plan, free social. I mean, a year's worth of social media marketing, a year's worth of email marketing, and then you want to have that all in one place so you can start doing things in your business, making sales in your business, and have a plan. That's inside the Entrepreneur Accelerator. And then lastly, if you want to learn how to launch your first automated income stream in the next 28 days, or really 21 to 28 days, I'm also going to throw in the Business Builder's Blueprint for you. So I'm going to throw in those 3 bonuses, show you how to do all that inside this mini course with the bonuses. It aligns perfectly with the training that you're going to learn. So you don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars to start up. You don't need a lot of time. You don't need really, you just need to put in a little bit of time, make you an offer. I use Teachery for all those pages. I set up a landing page and I set up a payment page. That's it. So coaches, consultant, educators, if you're ready to finally monetize your expertise, learn how to sell, this is going to give you the step-by-step blueprint. And I'm going to coach you through that to give you some support. You don't need a funnel. You just need one simple solution to a problem and an easy way to buy it. I showed y'all 3 of my products. I showed you the 2 pages, simple pages, a landing page that tells them what they're going to get and that has the right messaging to them for the right person. And then the second page where they can check out. That's all you need, an easy way for people to buy. Start small, sell fast, and then once you figure all that out, then you can automate that.